Put the fire out.
Oh, you got your fire hose.
Boom, 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 boom.
Fireman Z.
I'm going to have the fire hose. I'm going to get the first water out up there.
Put the fire out.
Yeah.
Good boy. Now you got to run to the other fire. You got to get in your truck and come to the other fire. Come on.
Okay.
I'll help you. Go the way. Turn around, baby boy. Right. What happened? No, with your truck.
Oh.
Oh.
Got keys in your truck. Go, dude, go.
Come to the bed.
Put the fire out. Hurry up, get the water. Put the fire out. Yeah, buddy. Put the fire. My house is burning down. Put it out. Oh, put the fire out. Oh, get my house. Oh, get my house. Let me get out the way because your parents will put you on
Let's
YouTube.
move the ride.